Welcome to Silicon Valley, Bay Area, California. One of the most busiest places in the world. And a lot of people think it's super expensive, you can't afford it, and which is true, it can be expensive. However, a lot of people don't realize that you can get a place like this over here in Fremont. Nice neighborhood, good schools, you're close to all shopping, work, restaurants, and still at a very reasonable price. Amrit, what do you think?
This is for the first-time home buyer.
That's right.
It's a 2-bedroom with a small yard in the back.
Yeah.
Got amenities.
Yes.
And it falls under Washington High School.
Yeah.
So I think it's a great opportunity for somebody who's starting out.
Absolutely. It's a great opportunity. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 38737 Aurora Terrace, a spacious 2-story townhome-style residence located in Fremont's desirable Cherry-Guardino neighborhood, offering approximately 1,120 square feet. This inviting home features 2 generously sized bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, comfortable living and dining areas, and plenty of storage throughout.
Out before the hard part. I miss the way you'd laugh when I said I'd never ask. I keep the lights.
Step outside to your own private fenced backyard, an ideal space for outdoor dining, gardening, entertaining, or simply relaxing. Residents also enjoy access to the community pool, along with convenient parking and quick access to everything Fremont has to offer. The home is ideally situated near Fremont BART, downtown Fremont, Fremont Hub, Central Park, and Lake Elizabeth, as well as Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Sprouts, restaurants, shopping, and everyday conveniences. Commuters will appreciate easy access to highways 880, 680, and 84. Located within Fremont Unified School District, nearby assigned schools are currently listed as Vallejo Mill Elementary, Centerville Middle School, and Washington High School. This is an excellent opportunity to own a well-located Fremont home with the added benefit of private outdoor space.
Thank you for taking the tour.
Now, as you saw, it's a great opportunity. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll see you soon.